And for this exact thing, we can apply quotient rule, which is this exact formula to find our function. So using this formula, we know that 5x to x cubed can be simply written as minus 15x square, and also there's, to solve this, we use this power minus this power will be multiplied by the number at the front, which gives us 15, and the power number, because of this the power gets minus 1 according to the quotient rule, and we can simplify this minus 15x square. And also the second part, which is x minus 2 to the power of 2, can still be simplified like 2x minus 2 multiplied x minus 2 using as a quotient formula, and in the way that we solve it as a top part of the equation, top part of the function. So using everything we have simplified, we can using this formula we can also make this exact thing right here. So by simplifying this exact thing, we will take out x minus 2 to cancel out this for us to be easy to cancel out these two things. So I also simplified the top part of it as the same thing written like that, and also I cancelled out this part, and this power went from 4 to 3, and simplifying this even more gives us this result right here, and rewriting it a little bit, we can extract minus 5x multiplied by x minus 6 divided by x minus 2 to the power of 3, and exact this equation can be our derivate and answer for A part of the fifth task. And in the second part we are asked to find its highest and lowest point, and looking at this formula we can assume that by giving 0 to all equations, we can also make to solve this we give 0 here, because if the same thing equals to 0, it will have like if bottom part equals 0, it will have infinite solution, infinite positive infinite. If the top of it gets 0, we will have positive infinity. So to find the exact thing, we can assume that if the x at the top part, if x is changed with 6, we can get positive infinite, or just simply putting 0 instead of x, and this will be 6, 0 and 6 for the top part, and for the bottom part we can take 2 and infinite. Again, this will give us minus infinity. So using this, so thinking logically using these two numbers, we can assume that the top increase part of this equation will be 2 and 6, and the decreasing part will be 6 and to the infinity. This is the increasing part, and this is the increase limit, and this is the decrease limit. To solve the last part of task 5, I decided to use this formula. This is the right exact formula, and as I decided to write this exact equation in a broader side, like that. And also to find the exact thing we need to divide the bottom part, which is minus 5x cube divided by x squared, to find minus 5x. This will be the first part, and the second part, to find the second part, I multiplied the solution we get to this exact same part, and this gave us this equation right here. And by removing 5x to the power of 3, I am left with minus 20x minus 20x to the power of 2 minus 20x. And by dividing all of this by x squared, I got minus 20. This is also our next part. So I also multiplied the minus 20 to the bottom part of our equation, and this thing gave us this exact thing right here. And I also removed the first part according to the formula, and this gave us minus 60x plus 80, which still equals to c in this exact formula. And assuming all of them, I managed to get this exact thing. And according to the formula, this thing right here will equal to mx, and anything that's left aside is equal to c, which is irrelevant to us in this situation. And our final solution will be y equals minus 5x minus 20, according to this formula.